I don't know for sure, but it'll be one of those things where he says he doesn't want nothing. Oh, well, no, I wouldn't mind that. Exactly, yeah. That's what I do, yeah. Honestly, they don't have anything that I want for them. You know, like neat furniture. If anything, it'd be a keepsake thing, right?
Yeah, something sentimental. Like
Exactly.
maybe one of memories that
I
would
have
find.
one of those.
Do you?
They make their way from her house to mine.
Or whenever Emma goes over, she gives
her a
all of her
rooster.
stuff.
Yeah.
Ended up with all these hedgehog stuff.
Hoards all this stuff and she binges giving it away.
I remember she gave me a whole bunch of teacups and saucers.
And Peter and I are together. It's like,
I put it in Peter's pocket.
he probably tossed it.
Oh wow, that's
Mom got, I think there was like 5 pickup loads of Christmas stuff from her jeans over. And I told her right from the first day, Mom, I don't want nothing. I don't want it. Don't bring it to my house.
Nice, Ashley.
But I made it perfectly clear the first day, like, I don't want nothing. I ordered for it, I don't want it.